Let's learn the pseudo-elements before and after. In order to do so, we are first going to create a short paragraph of 5 words. We're going to save the website, and pseudo-elements are pretty straightforward. Before allows you to add content before an element, and after allows you to add content after an element. So let me show you. Let's say we want to target this paragraph. We're going to use 2 colons when using pseudo-elements, and now we can add the before property, for example. Instead of this pseudo-element, we can now use the content property to define a content. So we could, for example, say that this is some additional text, for example. And once we save, we have this is some additional text right before that class. Now we can also define a display of block to turn this before element into a block element. And as you can see, now the second paragraph goes right below the first paragraph. Obviously, we can also just define normal properties like we could do for every other element, like a background color of brown and so on. So we can do some normal styling to pseudo elements as well. Now we can also use p::: after to define an element afterwards. And we can again say content should be this is after the text. And now we are going to save our file, and you can see this is after the text pop up right after our placeholder text. So let's also give that one a display of block so we can visualize this a little bit better. And now we have this is after the text right after our normal text. Obviously, you can again use something like background color if we wanted to, and save the document, and now we have a background color as well. And this is all you need to know about pseudo elements in CSS.